MailChimp lead magnet tutorial, MailChimp email marketing guide. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own free landing page with MailChimp to attract the audience, to get the emails, and to build your email list. So let's get started. What you have to do is just simply come to MailChimp.com. MailChimp is an amazing platform with a lot of tools where you can automate your business, you can create your online store, you can do your automation, and you can create your landing page as well. We are going to be creating our own landing page, which is going to work as a lead magnet to build our email list. We will be getting the email of others to build our own email list to get these subscribers. So that's how we are going to be creating our landing page with MailChimp. I will be using the free version, which is completely free, and whatever I will do is in the free version. You can do it for free as well. You don't have to buy a plan, but of course if you want to buy a plan, you can just simply go to pricing and check out the different plans that are available on MailChimp, and then you can get started. All you have to do is just sign up. Sign up process is completely easy. You sign up with your email address and set up a reasonable password. Once you are signed up, you will land on this website. This is the dashboard. This is the board that you get when you sign up for MailChimp. You will get all of these different features, for example, audience, campaigns, automation, website, content studio, integrations, and search. So you will simply find these options. We are going to create our own landing page, which is going to work as a lead magnet. So what you have to do is simply click on create. When I click on create, you will see that I get these options, and these options are regular email, landing page, or embedded form. So I'm going to go with a landing page. I will create a landing page which is going to work as a lead magnet. So you can see right here that these are the different templates available to create your own landing page. You can select from a template right here. So I am going to go for a very simple template on which, because I don't want to complicate things, I want to grow an email list. So I don't want the viewers to get confused. I just want them to add their email right away when they see my landing page. So I will simply so you can see right here, this is lead generation, grow your list. So this one is pretty good. This is like so simple. Maybe, or I can go for another one. Okay, so I am going with this template right here. I will simply click on this one. So this is the template that I selected. The first thing is going to be, I am going to name my page. Of course, let's name it. So this is the template that I have selected. All you have to do is now you will just simply add different blocks and different styles. If you want to delete something, you will simply delete it. So you can see right here, this is like a complete website, and it has a lot of elements. As I said, I will be deleting most of them because I want a very simple looking landing page to just get the emails. So let's start editing. So you can see right here, when I click on any of the boxes, I get these options to creative assistant to edit them and to duplicate, or I can just simply delete them. If I want to add any box, you simply click on any of the box and you drag and drop them. Simply, for example, the text, I will simply drag and drop it right here. You can see it has been added. If I want to add an image, I will simply click right here. If I want to add any image, I will simply drag and drop it right here. So this is how you add different blocks. And when you click on a block, you can actually, save and close from here. You upload an image. For example, I will click on upload image, and I will be able to upload. So you simply upload image right here, because these are the different images that you already have added to your MailChimp. So what happens is you simply click on upload and you select image from your computer. So you can see this image has been added to my landing page. Now I will simply click on save and close. I will scroll down and I can add product, payments, button, promo code, video. So this is for a good landing page, but we are going for a lead magnet. So all we want is this option, which is going to be the email address, and this looks pretty good. I can actually edit this button. I will simply click on edit and I can edit anything. For example, email address. I can go with first name and last name as well. Let's not go with last name, first name. Then I can actually go for phone number as well. So phone number actually makes people a little anxious. I can go for address. I can go for address line 2, I can go for last name or phone number. So whatever you want, you will edit the content from here, which is called the sign up form. And in the sign up form, you will add whatever you want to. So I am just going with an email address and first name. So this looks pretty good, and I can actually, so I am going with email and first name. This looks pretty good. I will simply click on save and close. After that, let's edit the header. Of course, this one, I want to edit it. So I will click on edit. Let's go to styles. So this is the image that has been added. Now I don't want this image. So what I will do is I will click on delete because I do not want this logo on my website. So this looks good. Okay, this is the text. I will edit it out. Simply click on that, and I do not want this text. I will simply edit my text, which is going to be, so this is going to be the text that I want. I can edit the text from here. It is going to be bold, of course, and the size is pretty small. So this size looks pretty good. Now you can see this, the line spacing for this one is not adjusted well. So I will simply change the line spacing. Let's just first make it, so this is going to be the size that I want. This is just the text that I edited. So this looks pretty good. Then we have this thing. I want to remove this. I do not want this like big thing. Okay, the text looks good. And then we have these. So I am not, adding these out a lot because, I am just, showing you how to do that. So I will delete this box too. I will simply click on delete. I do not want a lot of things on my page. So this looks good. Okay, let's delete this one too. So you simply edit it out, whatever you want to. You edit the text, simply click on save, and so you can see this is how you edit different things. You can add your social, you can add promo code, whatever you want to. You simply click on any of the box and you can edit it out. If you want to change the background color, you will click on color and you will be able to do so. If you want to add an image in the background, you can go for an image as well. So let's change the color to this is how you can actually edit your color. After that, you simply click on save and close. Once you do that, you will be able to save your landing page. I'm just giving you an overview that how to actually add different elements to your landing page. Of course, when you will be creating your own landing page, you will add different elements to it. You will add your product, you will add your images, you will add the title as you want it to be. I just kind of went with a very all over the place landing page, but this is how it looks. You can see right here, this is my page. If I want to preview it, I will be able to show you. It's super simple looking, and I did not go with a lot of things. As I told you, I'm just going for a very simple one. So I just added this text, and I am asking for email address and first name, and then we have this text, and then we have this ending. So that looks pretty good, right? So simple. So this is my landing page. If I want to go for a mobile view, I will click right here, and this is the mobile view for my landing page that I just created. And this landing page will get the email address of the people, and I will be able to create my email list right here on MailChimp. MailChimp is an amazing platform to actually get the insights and to do the automation too. So I will be able to manage my business better, and I will be able to grow my email list better with MailChimp. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to create your lead magnet landing page with MailChimp for free. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.